fridge is really old whirpool fridge.
Hey.
It's made from Samsung. Compressor fan makes noise, so I'm gonna replace fan. I think I have to replace this motor.
I look in a Facebook, for sale, for those things. There's a lot of fridge I sell. That someone is $60, $40. But
don't buy loose like that kind of fridge.
Yeah.
It must be something.
But they say everything good condition, everything running condition. But before I do it, that's why I call you up. I better ring to my friend. And maybe.
If you buy really cheap fridge.
Some people free. Everything run condition free.
Yes. But if you are really lucky guy, you can get a good one. Working one, but if you're a lucky guy,
yeah. Because I asked the other one, there was one is if everything in one condition new, and why you sell it? Are they moving? They say they're moving. They want to move to another house. They want to go. Look at it.
They look like that.
Yeah.
But if you buy it. Sometimes
no. I was just looking at this morning.
Just to waste the money. $70, $80, you just waste money. If you buy looking like that kind of fridge, almost 90% broken one. Inside is something wrong.
I know that. I know.
Don't believe it. Even Facebook, a lot of people they lie.
That's why I just say to my daughter, I'll call my friend. It's a thing it's a doctor for the fridge and the washing. Yeah. You're working, while you're working, eh? Yeah, some people free, yeah. Everything good, but free.
Yeah, some people they just want a donation, but not sure. Good one. Doesn't make any noise.
Hey. Is it on now?
Yes.
Oh, no noise.
No noise. You're lucky. Well done. Put it in medium. Looks like that. One little bit.
Oh, yeah. No, leave it over there.
Higher than here. But
Not too high, just a bit.
it's alright.
That's
The
alright.
weather is autumn now. So
Yeah. So you haven't got any updates? No, you can't.
Yeah, I'll try to put
Have a look if you can.